I've invited lahat yung mga pasyente doon sa medical center. Basta yung nagkaroon ng problema doon, as long as you can move, I've invited them to have dinner with me sa Malacanang. Yun ang dapat mga tao magkain doon kasi kanila yung bayan. And one day, I'll invite also everybody. Dandan lang, itong mga hirap. Itong mga hirap kasi dito kung hindi yan malakas sa isang hindi nakakita. So, I'll invite taga-Tondo, Pandakan muna kung saan yung para makita nila anong palasyo ng tao. That's why I always say the palace of the people called Malacanang. You have heard me say that. I never say diretso Malacanang Palace. Hindi naman palasyo yan eh. One day I will rename it People's Palace.
So yung barangay election, Mayor,
yung park dito.
next year, Mayor,
one day?
I spent there 600 million. Anong pangalan binigay ko? People's Park.
So yun
sir,
have
bago
changed.
matapos yung term nyo, dapat
Oh,
People's Palace.
Dapat
tanggalin ko.
People's Palace.
You know why? In the word Malacanang,
Oo.
it sucks with imperialism. Totoo. Sino nagpangalan ng Malacanang Palace? Mga Espanyol na yun. Why should I just address it as the People's Palace of the Republic of the Philippines?